Hey, this is Brad from WTI. The great outdoors. And sometimes the ground can be kind of hard. Well, that is where this HUGEAR RV outdoor waterproof mat comes in handy. This one's a 6x9. They come in different sizes, and it is surprisingly soft for something that's not fuzzy. So it's not fuzzy, it doesn't really absorb water or anything, but it is nice and soft on your feet. So when you're enjoying the great outdoors, you can have a little bit more comfort and really enjoy it that much more. It comes in a really cool pattern that can kind of match any decor and different things that you might have. It's got little lassos at the end, and it comes with tent stake. Another nice feature about it is, don't you hate refolding maps because they never fold back the same way? Well, what's nice about this is it comes with instructions based on the various sizes of how to refold this so that it will fit in this cool little bag that it comes with so that you can store it somewhere when you don't need it. Obviously, it provides nice comfort for my feet, for if the kids want to sit down out here and play on the floor while we're spending time outdoors, or even man's best friend, having a nice soft place to lay down. It's just a really nice product, and we really enjoy it. We like the color, we like the patterns, and we like the overall design and feel of this particular mat. That's just my point of view.